When my family and I moved to California when I was 10 or 11 years old, we all got annual passes to Disneyland, and we used to go every weekend. I fell in love with the park. I loved every ride. I loved all the snacks. I loved all the shows. I loved all the Disney characters. I was the biggest Disney fan. And when we first moved to California, I met my very first friend there. Her name was Stacy. Stacy lived a couple houses down from me, and we met one day when we were both out riding our bikes, and we became friends right away. We would ride bikes together, ride our scooters together, go to the park together, swim together. We did everything until one day I found out she had never been to Disneyland. When I heard this, I was like, oh my gosh, you've never been to Disneyland? It's literally the happiest place on earth. And I ran straight to my dad and I said, Stacy has to come to Disneyland with us. Well, when I asked Stacy to go with us, her mom, of course, said, yes, go, Stacy, go, but Stacy wasn't as excited about it. And I remember being a little confused because I'm thinking, how could somebody not be this excited or excited at all about the best place on the planet? And so one Saturday morning, we planned it that we were all going to go to Disneyland. Me, Stacy, my dad, and my mom. And we went to pick Stacy up in the morning, and on the way there, I was going crazy. I was like, Stacy, have you done this ride? Have you ever had this? Have you ever seen this show? And she just kind of sat there like, no, no, and she kind of looked scared, but I didn't think much of it because I thought, well, she'll just have to see for herself. When we got to the park, the first ride I wanted to do was Space Mountain. Space Mountain is probably the fastest and coolest roller coaster there, and it was my all-time favorite ride. Well, when we told Stacy, hey, we're going to go to Space Mountain first, she goes, well, what's that? What kind of ride is it? Does it go fast? Is it a big loop? And my dad said, no, Stacy, you can sit by me for this first ride. It's not that bad at all. Jenna's ridden it a million times. You'll be fine. Little did we know, Stacy had a really big fear of roller coasters. So we all go on the ride, and at the end of the ride, I turn around, I look at Stacy, and I go, Stacy, how was it? And her face was like, and she looked like she had seen a ghost, I swear. She was scared out of her mind. And we got off, and, she didn't know what to say, I think, because she was embarrassed. So my first question was, oh, hey, Stacy, let's go to Autopia, which is the ride at Disneyland where you kind of just drive the cars, not fast, kind of a kiddie ride. And Stacy goes, what is it? Does it go fast? Is it scary? Is it a big loop? All the same questions again. And I told her, no, it's not that bad. I guess she didn't believe us because she refused to go. The same thing happened for the next 3 or 4 rides. Every time I mentioned a ride, I said, Stacy, you want to go on the merry-go-round? What is it? Does it go fast? Is there a loop? She refused to go on every ride possible. A few hours go by, and I had ridden probably 3 or 4 rides. And then my dad, I think, felt bad, looks at Stacy and goes, hey, Stacy, want to try a churro? And Stacy goes, what is it? Does it go fast? Does it have a loop? Is it scary? And I just burst out into laughter because I thought a churro, it's food. It's like the best dessert ever. How do you not know what a churro is? And it was probably the funniest moment. I still remember to this day how funny it was because she was so scared of a churro. My dad said, no, Stacy, it's not a ride. It doesn't go fast. There's no loop. And she calmed down. She did try a churro, even though she didn't try a single ride. But to this day, she left me with probably the best memory I will ever remember. Every time I see a churro at Disneyland or the State Fair or even, at Taco Bell, I just think of Stacy being so scared of a churro.